Group 0, the noble gases. Group 0 is the last group in the periodic table, called the noble gases. We learn the elements that are located in this group, as you can see in the figure 12.6. The elements in group 0, the noble gases. Also, we will discuss the physical properties of this group, density, boiling point, and their colors, and others of the physical properties. So page 101, physical properties of the noble gases. Group 0, the noble gases, or we can call them the inert gases. As we learned before in the periodic table, the last group is the group 0, the noble gases. What are the physical properties of this group? Look at this figure. This is the group 7. Let's see its properties. They are all colorless gases. All these gases are colorless. Radon is radioactive. Radon is the last gas in this group. It is radioactive. Argon makes almost 1% of the air. Argon, which is Ar, makes almost 1% of the air. So the air around us contains almost 1% of argon gas. Helium has the second lowest density of any gas after hydrogen. The first gas that has the lowest density is the hydrogen, followed by the helium. It has the second lowest density of any gas after hydrogen. At the end, all the gases are monoatomic. What do we mean by monoatomic? Monoatomic means that their molecules consist of single atoms. These molecules that create this gas contain one atom, made up of one atom. So because of that, it is called monoatomic. Monoatomic means it contains one atom. So these are the physical properties for the noble gases, which is group 0. Also, there are another properties. We are going to discuss them later on.